your company, innovation is critical. But the best ideas won't fly unless you find an American manufacturer that can build sophisticated components and gears to your exact specifications. At Schafer Aerospace in South Bend, Indiana, our dedicated team is ready to take on your challenges. With our decades of engineering experience, you can now solve complex manufacturing problems no one else can successfully tackle. Our aggressive investment in world-class equipment, lean manufacturing, cost-efficient assembly, and rigorous verification ensure our industry-leading quality standards. This is where you can make your next generation of innovations. Because at Schafer Aerospace, we always aim higher, so you can too. Request your quote today.